Learn Hindi fast. Tomorrow plans, calls, and goodbyes in English in
Hindi.
Welcome to tomorrow. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi you can actually use in real life. And yes, today we are visiting the magical land of tomorrow, later, the weekend, and dramatic exits. Imagine this. You are talking with a friend, making plans, avoiding one phone call, promising another, and then leaving like the hero of a low-budget movie. In this chapter, you will hear and remember 5 super useful Hindi phrases. First,
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
meaning, what will you do tomorrow? Then,
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
meaning, I will call later. Next,
मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा.
meaning, I would still like to today. Then,
हम सप्ताहांत में चाहते हैं.
meaning, we want to on the weekend. And finally, the classic exit line.
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
Meaning, I have to go now. Your tiny Hindi toolbox. Before the story gets silly, let's make the phrases feel friendly. You do not need perfection, you just need rhythm and repetition. Say it with curiosity.
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
Think. You plus tomorrow plus what plus will do. Say it like you are busy but polite.
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
Think. I plus later plus phone plus will do. Say it like your to-do list is still chasing you.
मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा.
Think. I plus today plus still plus would like. Say it like a group chat finally became productive for 3 seconds.
हम सप्ताहांत में चाहते हैं.
Say it like you just looked at the time and remembered you are an adult.
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
A very normal conversation that becomes chaos. Now listen to a funny mini story. Your job is simple. Enjoy it, and let the Hindi phrases stick in your mind. It is evening. 2 friends, Sam and Neha, are standing outside a tea shop with 1 samosa left, which is already causing emotional damage. Sam asks.
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
Neha looks thoughtful, as if she is about to reveal a great life plan. Instead, she says, first, I will sleep like a champion. Then maybe I will clean my room. Or at least look at it seriously. Sam nods like this is wisdom. Then his phone rings. He stares at the screen the way people stare at taxes. He says,
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
and puts the phone away with the confidence of a person who absolutely will forget. Neha laughs and says,
मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा.
finish one thing today. Maybe my homework. Maybe the samosa. We will see. A third friend arrives and announces, friends, listen carefully.
हम सप्ताहांत में चाहते हैं.
Go somewhere fun, eat something unhealthy, and pretend it is cultural research. Everyone agrees immediately because that is how the best plans are made. Then Sam checks the time, freezes, and says in full drama.
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
He leaves so quickly that even the last samosa looks abandoned. Useful patterns you can reuse. Here is the fun part. You can swap in your own words and make these phrases your own. That is where real speaking begins. Ask about tomorrow.
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
You can use it with friends when talking about plans. Promise a call.
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
Very useful when you are busy or pretending to be busy. Add a goal for today.
मैं आज अभी भी अपना काम खत्म करना चाहूंगा.
This means, I would still like to finish my work today. Make weekend plans.
हम सप्ताहांत में आराम करना चाहते हैं.
Or,
हम सप्ताहांत में यात्रा करना चाहते हैं.
exit politely.
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
Short, useful, and perfect when your social battery reaches 1%. Mini dialogue drill. Now let's do quick spoken drills. Repeat after each line in your head, out loud, or with full movie star energy. A. What will you do tomorrow? B.
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
A. Can you talk now? B.
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
A. Any last plan for today? B.
मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा.
A. What do we want to do on the weekend? B.
हम सप्ताहांत में चाहते हैं.
A. Stay a little longer. B.
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
Memory tricks that actually help. Let's make these phrases sticky. The stranger the image, the better your brain behaves. 4.
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
Imagine a giant calendar pointing at you and demanding tomorrow's plan like a strict auntie. 4.
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
Imagine a phone wearing sunglasses saying, later, my friend, and rolling away. 4.
मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा.
Picture the sunset, a checklist, and one stubborn task refusing to disappear. 4.
हम सप्ताहांत में चाहते हैं.
Imagine your whole friend group attacking a weekend planner with snacks and opinions. 4.
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
Imagine your shoes whispering, come on, legend, time to leave. Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Let's test your memory with a tiny quiz, and yes, your tea break is safe. How do you say, what will you do tomorrow? Answer.
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
How do you say, I will call later? Answer.
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
How do you start, I would still like to today? Answer.
मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा.
How do you say, we want to on the weekend? Answer.
हम सप्ताहांत में चाहते हैं.
How do you say, I have to go now? Answer.
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
Your challenge for today. Now make the phrases personal. The moment you connect them to your own life, they become much easier to remember. Ask someone in your mind.
तुम कल क्या करोगे?
Say politely to an imaginary caller.
मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा.
Finish this sentence with your own goal.
मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा.
Create a weekend plan.
हम सप्ताहांत में फिल्म देखना चाहते हैं.
And if you need a dramatic ending, say,
मुझे अब जाना होगा.
friendly goodbye. Nice work. You just practiced Hindi for tomorrow, later, today, the weekend, and that very important art of leaving on time. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep repeating these phrases out loud.
तुम कल क्या करोगे? मैं बाद में फोन करूंगा. मैं आज अभी भी चाहूंगा. हम सप्ताहांत में चाहते हैं. मुझे अब जाना होगा.
You are building real Hindi step by step, and that is awesome. Practice again tomorrow, smile at your mistakes, and keep going.